In this series of video segments, we want to discuss four topics. One is the assembly of the basic tool. The second is assembly of the running gear for two different configurations. And the third is how to attach the survey equipment to your drilling equipment. So first, the basic tool. You'll get the tool in a shipping tube, as well as a Pelican case containing some of the accessories. Included in the accessories are an instruction manual, a CD-ROM containing the software and this tutorial, a number of cables. There's one cable that is used to connect the survey tool to the Palm Pilot, a second cable that is used to connect the Palm Pilot to the computer and to the tool. Of course, the Palm Pilot itself, a protective case for the Palm Pilot that's waterproof, some spare O-rings, and some spare lubricant for the O-rings. To remove the tool from the shipping case, simply unscrew either end of the tube and carefully slide the instrument out. This is the newer IRDA enabled version of the MI3 survey tool. It's a single component to the instrument with one place where it breaks. You'll notice there's a brass sleeve at the center with the serial number stamped on it. The break that you want to make to access the batteries and the communication ports is at the upper part of this brass sleeve, where there's a shorter segment of steel pressure casing. And this should never be tightened other than hand tight. Light hand pressure is sufficient to effect a good seal. Never use any wrenches or any excessive hand force. When this top cap is removed, it reveals an electrical connector at the top for attachment of the cables, a status panel for the instrument that contains some light emitting diodes, as well as some buttons, and then by sliding this cover up, you reveal the battery pack. To remove and install batteries, you can simply make use of a key or a screwdriver to remove the first of the AA alkaline batteries. There's one battery that slides in from above and four more that come from below. To install batteries, you install them with the positive end downwards into the tool. So here's the positive terminal. I'll push that down first. Slide in four batteries. The fifth battery gets pushed up in the same orientation, so negative end first now, up into the top. There's a spring up here, and then finally force the sixth and final battery in. And then you can close the cover and slide the organ to retain the cover. To establish communications with the instrument, there are two ways with this tool. First, I'll discuss the cable methodology. There's one cable called the hot sink cable that connects into a plug at the base of the Palm Pilot. This second cable connects to the top of the tool. You'll just have to rotate either the connector or the tool to the engagement point. There's only one way that it engages nicely. Please don't force that connector. And then these two cables connect, join together. So this is how you would connect the Palm Pilot to the instrument using a cable connection. You can also use, as an alternative, you can use the infrared port on the Palm Pilot. This particular model of Palm Pilot has the infrared port here. The tool has its infrared port right here. So if you aim those two towards each other, you can establish communications using infrared light, and there's no cable involved then.